Dawn to dusk curfew imposed countrywide is here to stay. President Uhuru Kenyatta extended the curfew for another 21 days, warning that more stringent measures were on the way should Kenyans fail to comply with the measures already in place to stop the spread of COVID-19 in the country. Stephen Letor starts off our broadcast.
With the government pressing hard to seal off any spread window for COVID-19, President Uhuru Kenyatta has extended the dawn to dusk curfew imposed countrywide to limit spread or better cut the transmission chain of the infectious virus.
That the nationwide dusk to dawn curfew that is currently in force shall also be extended for a further period of 21 days.
The head of state also extended the containment period for 4 counties that had recorded a significant number of positive cases. Interior CS Dr. Fred Matiang'i has already gazetted the extensions, paving way for enforcement by security personnel.
That the cessation of movement into and out of the Nairobi metropolitan area and the counties of Kilifi, Kwale and Mombasa that are currently in force shall be extended for a further containment period of 21 days.
Worried about the rising numbers of COVID-19 cases in Kwale, Mombasa and Kilifi, President Kenyatta hinted at tighter controls along the coastal strip as well as Mandera County to stop further spread within the 4 counties. Experts had projected that by the end of April, at least 10,000 people will have been infected with the virus. The fact that the number is far below the projection seen as a little cause for comfort.
And today we say that if this worrying trend does not reverse, more stringent measures will be taken in consultation with the respective county governments.
Even as Mombasa, we will not hesitate when it gets to a point when we tell you escalate the actions to stringent measures so that our people can listen.
7 more people tested positive out of 754 samples in the last 24 hours. 5 from Nairobi, 1 from Kiambu, and 1 from Mombasa. Total recoveries now stands at 98, with death toll still at 14. 6 of the 7 cases were picked by surveillance teams. Only 1 was in quarantine. The Mombasa case is from Mvita. The Kiambu case is from Ruiru. In Nairobi, 2 cases were found in Westlands, 1 case in Langata, another case in Embakasi East, and the other in Kabete. The president admitting that to flatten the infection curve, the country will need to boost its testing capacity, with slightly above 17,000 people tested so far. The Ministry of Health is yet to roll out an elaborate targeted mass testing of Kenyans to inform the government on the degree of penetration of the virus among Kenyans.
Government will not delay in de-escalating the measures that I am announcing today the moment our experts, because it is they in whom we should trust, inform us that the risks have reduced significantly on the basis of how we as governments, national and county, but also as individual citizens, shall respond to the directions that we are given by our experts.
The head of state further directing the National Emergency Response Committee to map out sectors on the basis of infections risks to inform the targeted mass testing. Contact tracing surveillance teams have also been directed to conduct more exact contact tracing to fully uproot the virus from the community. Stephen Letor, Citizen TV, Nairobi.